So this one ain't techie, but perhaps it can make you look at your tech differently. Yes, what's going on people? Tech Jamo. Now, Man is out here with a couple of products from this company called OCUSHIELD. You probably heard of them before, but for those of you that haven't, they're a company that are all about protecting your eyesight from your technology. Blue light gang, all them things there. You know, most products these days, after the sun sets, have this automatic blue light mode, which basically turns your screen orange to stop those harmful blue light rays getting into your eyes and disturbing your sleep and just like mashing up your eyesight and thing like that, innit? Well, these guys are taking the thing a step further. They've made physical products that you can add to your computer screen, add to your phone screen, or even wear to stop these harmful blue lights getting into your eyesight and mashing you up so you're wearing mad glasses like me, innit? So, if you want more information about how the blue light thing works from an actual professional who's qualified, check the link out in the description below. But without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing of these things here. Alright, so first thing we got are these blue light glasses here, fam. Got some nice packaging going on. Blue light blocking glasses. Now you can get these coming in one prescription, which I think is 3 times, but these are the 0 prescription things. Prevent eye strain, sleep better, suitable for using TV, desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone, any screen basically. Blue light, and then it's got some more details about what's going on the back of the box there as well. Blue light blocking glasses. There you go, fam. You pop that open now. Obviously I've worn these before just to see what the fit is, because obviously man is big head gang, and I can certify that this fits my head, even my head. Now take this off and boom. Okay, you got the presentation thing going on there. Got a young OCUSHIELD logo there, fam. And yeah, that's it really. Everything else is kind of plain. You pop these open now, and these are the bad boys right here, fam. So pretty standard procedure. I think they've got 1 or 2 different styles with a couple different colors, and like I said, they've got the 3 times magnification lens, but I'm not sure how that magnification equivalents to an actual prescription for your glasses kind of thing. So that will be interesting, but for now, Man is just gonna assume that they've you know, they're not my prescription kind of thing anyway. But yeah, this is them. They look kind of cool in there, and obviously you get a little young cleaning cloth in there. Let me just try and get the camera to face me so I can show you what they look like when I'm wearing them. Alright, let me put on the things them. Here we go. Oh, you got bare glare, but you can see it without the glare now. Obviously Man is a glasses model. Specsavers, holler at me. Donald and Aitchison, Boots Opticians, you man, holler at me. I'm out here for my modeling auditions, innit? Don't know. But yeah, they feel comfortable. They get to the back of your ears kind of thing. So if you're on them long gaming sessions, it's all good, fam. Man can shake my head and do all them kinds of things. And yeah, the glasses are not falling off. The only issue for me, like I've said before, is that these are not prescription. So because my eyesight is so mashed up, I can barely see where the camera is in front of my face. But for those of you that don't need a prescription, these might be for you. Now, like I said before, they've also got blue light preventing screen protectors, fam. But unfortunately, they've only got it for iPhone devices, iPad devices, and MacBooks. And they've got some general ones for 15.6 inch laptops. So my laptop, what is it called? MSI GE66 Raider. It's a 15.6 inch laptop. So the idea is I can put this on my laptop and I don't even have to worry about having the glasses with prescription, because I can wear my normal glasses and have this do its job on my laptop, innit? So that's what man's gonna try and do. Let's get this popped open and see what's really good here. Obviously, you got the, okay, that didn't work. Okay, man just butchered the whole unboxing experience. There we go. All right, we're here. Okay, that's what man is saying, but I forgot to show you guys the box. You guys like to see the box, innit? That's what we're seeing on the back of the box there. You can pause at any time if you guys want to read more. Oi, nice eyes. Keep them nice with OCUSHIELD. You get me? All them things there. true colors, privacy filter, blue light filter, prevent eye strain, sleep better. I'm just interested in this privacy filter. Oh, privacy filter thing. Is it got a privacy? Fam, how did I miss this? It's got a privacy filter. So that should mean that if somebody is looking at my laptop from an angle, they shouldn't be able to see it. So you could use your laptop in a public place without people preying what you're doing from the sides. I don't know. Let's see how this actually works. Right, so front side, we've got all that normal stuff for a laptop. Yeah, dust remover and all that. Let's get this cellophane out the way. So I'm gonna put those to the side. There we go. What have we got in here? We've got a little dust cloth. We've got the usual stickers and thing like that. I'm not even sure what these are. What in the world are these, fam? What are these? Have you guys even seen these before? Warnings and what? Contradictions. Okay, I don't even know what those are, fam. But yeah, there you go. Alright. You got a little slip, some young literature to read there. No. And obviously, yeah, you got the screen protector, and it is a privacy filter. As you can see, if, like, let's say for example, if you focus on this part of the screen here, you can see it when the privacy filter is facing directly at the camera. However, if I turn the privacy filter to the side, you see it blocks out the ting, fam. Effectively reducing the viewing angles of your laptop if you like having your friends watch what you're doing. But if you're trying to do a little kind of privacy thing, you know, if you're using it in a public place, like I said, this is what you want. Anyway, let me see how it looks on my laptop. Let's see if it actually fits. I mean, it's 15.6, you can't really go wrong. There we go. Yeah, no, we've got a good fit there. Hey, get back. Alright, we got a good fit for the laptop actually. Yeah, no, that looks good. That looks good. I think we should stick it. Oh, well, there we go. There we go. Don't even have to stick it down. Now, hopefully, you guys should be able to see that if I go around this side of my laptop, hey, see, you can't see anything. However, if I take off the privacy filter now, there we go. You can see my laptop and the horrible glare from my video lights as per normal. And then if I put the thing back on, you see. So that's how the privacy filter situation works. And obviously it's blocking you from all that harmful blue light at the same time. I think it still looks quite decent. It does make my laptop screen look a little bit dimmer. Not gonna lie. It's looking at, let me just get that screen off. It's looking a little bit dimmer. If I take that off again. There we go. So it's a bit brighter now. It's at full brightness, obviously. And with that, I mean, it's not that deep, the dimness, but you can definitely tell it's a little bit dimmer. So if you've already got a dim laptop, that might be an issue for you there. Let me just do half and half so you guys can see what's going on. There we go. That's probably a bit better there. So you can see that there. So you see the right side of the screen is looking a bit dimmer than the left side of the screen, but not really too much. It doesn't really make that much of a difference. Those are the products that Manaman is talking about. Hopefully I've demonstrated how they work for you. And yeah, fam, it's your eyes, innit? You only get 2 pairs. 2 pairs? You only get 1 pair, fam. So look after them, innit? Search about your blue light ting. And yeah, see what you guys can do. If you've already got the blue light screen protectors, that's cool. There's lots of different blue light applications for your phone and things like that. They usually have a little orange tinge though, and that's what you don't get when you wear these physical blue light blockers. But anyway, big shout out to OCUSHIELD for putting man on the review ting, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bless.